Good evening everyone. I am Rahul Gupta, member Punjab State COVID Control Room. On this 47th day of the curfew, following are the highlights. World COVID figures are confirmed cases 39,36,000, recovered cases 13,52,000, dead 2,71,000. For India the figures are confirmed cases 56,516, recovered cases 16,870, dead 1,895. In Punjab, total positive cases 1,731, which is an increase of 87 over yesterday's figures. Recovered cases are 152, total lives lost so far 29. PSPCL has made all 515 cash collection centers operational from today from 9 am to 2 pm across the state for consumers to deposit their bills. Similarly, Seva Kendras have started functioning today from 9 am to 5 pm. Government has issued an advisory on how to ensure safety while shopping for food and other essential household items during COVID-19 pandemic. It is mandatory for the shop owners, delivery staff and customers to wear face masks at all times. Cloth masks should be washed with soap, water daily after use. Handshakes or hugs should be discouraged. Rather, 5 feet distance has to be maintained. 2 hourly hand wash with soap and water is recommended. Alcohol-based sanitizer bottles having minimum 70% ethyl alcohol should be mounted at the entrance walls of the shops by the shopkeepers for the customers as well as the workers. At least 2 pushes, which is 3 milliliter of sanitizer, should be put on dry hands and should be applied for 30 seconds. All should refrain from touching face, mouth, nose, eyes with the hands. Customers should wait patiently for their turn at the cash counter. Customers should preferably pay through digital means. The cashier should sanitize his hands before and after each transaction. Exhaust fans should be installed in the shops. Customers should carry washable cloth bag for shopping. All fruits and vegetables should be washed clean with potable water, and if they are to be eaten raw, then they should be washed in potable water having 50 ppm chlorine. In case one comes to know that one has been in contact with a COVID positive patient, there is no need to panic or hide the fact. One has to report at helpline 104. The shop owner is also obligated to report all such incidents if any of his staff member turn out to be positive. Those tourists, students, employees, etc. who are stranded in other states or abroad due to COVID-19 crisis and wish to come back, they should fill a form at www.covidhelp.punjab.gov.in. On coming back, they will be screened at the entry point to the state. Those found asymptomatic or negative will be sent for quarantine at home or at a government quarantine facility. Symptomatic persons will be taken to the nearest hospital for further medical intervention. To beat COVID-19, we all shall have to change our lifestyles as per the advisories issued by the government from time to time. That is all for today. Thank you.